All right, here we are in Adobe InDesign. I'm going to show you how to use master pages. So first we're going to pull up our pages palette, and you'll see that I have my page 1 right here. And then there's, these are masters up here. It says A parent, and then you see the A here. So it's referring to this page here on the right, because this is a right page. So whatever I put up on this page, I'm going to show you now. I'm going to paste the logo on that I already had. You can see that it's going to follow onto this page, page 1. See that? And if I go back here, this is the same master page, just the left side. I'm going to option drag this over here to get a little dupe. There we go. And now if I go down here, if you click down here, you got to make sure you click down here before you make new pages. Otherwise, you'll make new master pages, which I'll show you in a second. But yeah, click on these, and now you can see that the logos are going with all the pages, right? So that's the basics of them, but there's way more stuff. Let me show you here. I'm back on the A parent master page. I'm going to make a box. Let me see, a black little line down here, box. You can run these all the way across both pages, but when they're single pages, it will show all the way across. So I suggest just doing both of them. Like even if you just want a black line, just go for it on each page. And now we've got that, and you can see that that's transferred down. Now I'm going to show you some automation stuff real quick. That's super powerful. If I wanted to, let's say I'm going to get the type tool here, and I'm going to make a little box, and I'm going to put well, I'm not going to put anything yet. I'm going to go to type. I'm going to put insert special character, marker, and current page number. Now it says A because that's this is master A, right? Master page A. So let me just make this a little more visible here. Boom, and make it a little bit bigger. Leave your box big enough for it to expand if you have a lot of pages. And I'm going to make it white real quick. And let's just click on this. I'm going to move it down here to the corner so we can see it. And now it says A. And you know what? I'm going to option drag over here, and I'm going to get my paragraph. See this paragraph here? You can also access that window and type and paragraph. And I'm going to select this, and I'm going to make it right aligned for the right page, left on the left. And now these are going to be page numbers. So let's jump down here. Ready? Watch this. 1, 2, 3. See that? 4, 5. So that's really powerful stuff right there. I mean, you can now do a multi-page layouts, and you've got all this doing it automatically. So that's a really amazing one. And then now that we're down here, we can't click on any of these on these pages. However, if you do hold Command and Shift, you can unlock each object. See, I can't click here or here, but I have unlocked that one. Or you can simply right click on a page and just put override all parent page items, and now you can whoops, what page was I on? Oh, I was on 4. Okay, so yeah, make sure you're on the right page when you do that. And now see that? So I've overridden all of it. And then if you want to do another master page, you go up here, you click into the page, into the master page area, and then you can just hit new, and you've got new ones. And when you want to, if you do something to this one here, I'm just going to make a box in the middle of it. I'm going to go down here to page 3, and I'm going to say I want B on there. So I'm going to apply parent, and it's going to be B. There we go. So now, this B is here, so I can do that to any of them I want. So you can just apply. I can switch this back to to the other one if I want to. And here we go. There, see. So that's master pages, parent pages, as they're also called. They used to be called master all the time, but anyways, hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.